My camera is on.
I
I
can't see you. Actually, I can see only
yeah
Katrina Kaif.
yeah. Just take a 1 minute time, 1 or 2 second of time. Okay.
All right. Oh, yeah, yeah, it's okay.
Okay. Now I'm visible, but I can't see yourself.
You can't see me?
No. I can't see you.
All right, maybe it would be visible after some time, but I can see myself and also you too.
Yes. Now I can see you.
All
Okay.
right. Hi, Sonam. How are you?
Hello. I'm fine. How are you?
I am also good. Thank you for asking. So, Sonam, where are you from?
I'm from Mumbai.
Okay, wow, Mumbai. And I am from Kolkata.
Okay. So you're Bengali.
Yes, I am Bengali.
Okay.
And
Bengali people is very sweet people, I can say.
yeah. Maybe actually it's not like that. It varies according to the person to person.
No. I have connected a lot of people, and that people are very sweet. So I
Yeah.
can say I was a very grateful, like a connecting sweet kind of people now, till that time now. Yes.
Okay. So what's your mother tongue? Is it Hindi?
Yes, my mother tongue is Hindi.
Okay, no problem. I know Hindi. I can read Hindi. I can write Hindi.
Okay.
Okay, so before doing the session, I want to introduce myself. My name is Arpita Bhattacharya. I'm from Kolkata, and recently I'm done with my 12th board examination. Now I'm applying for colleges. So apart from that, I have my own online institute in which I train my students spoken English and communication skills. I have my students all over India, and also I'm working as a tutor on English Chat. So that's all about me. What about you?
Okay. What about me? I am doing a job as an account assistant in a pharmaceutical company, and presently I am pursuing my MBA. So I am also doing the study, and I have the one YouTube channel also. There I am practicing my English. So you can say I'm running one YouTube channel also. And nowadays I'm practicing my English with English Yari, you can say.
Okay, so you do so many things at a time. That's wonderful. So all day you
Yes.
stay busy, right?
Yeah. You can say.
Okay, so what did you do today?
Before our conversation, I was just converse with my one subscriber as our daily conversation practice.
Okay.
So yes.
All right. Okay, so Sonam, today the topic, I hope you have gone through the session documents, which is all about Prime Minister. And it's like if I become Prime Minister, like not I, if you become a Prime Minister, what would you like to do?
Mm, I think I will be not become a prime minister, you can say. So if I become, because a prime minister is that kind of person who can handle the thing individually, who
Hmm.
has a very creative kind of person, and
Hmm.
who is a very mentally strong kind of person, who is take a decision. And I am very different in that way. You can say I will be not become a prime minister, but if I want to become, if I will become, so firstly I like to change the education system,
Hmm.
because of the education system is not that much of, you can say, the
Hmm.
quality of the education system is not a good. So because of the education, people can earn, people can do any kind of thing. So I will be change the education kind of system. So I can say nowadays it's going the online system education.
Hmm. Hmm.
So I can say students are wasting a lots of time, like going to school, and everything in the online we are presenting. So like you can say nowadays is a online going, like any kind of thing we just animated, and a student can easily, you can say, remember, and can they are doing study also. So this kind of thing I will provide each and every school, not any kind of government kind of school that people are not provided. So I will change that kind of way, you can say. And this is my first thing. And coming to the, like a child labor,
Hmm.
who is the like a child below the 18 age, below the 18 year of the age, they are doing a job, and they are not doing the study. So I want to, like you can say, completely this kind of thing remove in India. No,
Mm.
but no child can labor. So
Mm.
this is my second thing. And I think this food thing, if I remove India, so India become a developed country, because that is the main two reason we are
Mhm.
facing a lots of problem. So
Mm.
yeah, education, if we, I remove, if I
Mm.
give all that child, so I think we are the very good country after, like
Mm.
American, like a USA kind of country,
Mm.
because they people are only doing this kind of, not other kind of things. So they are like every way they are very, you can say, powerful country. In the
Mm.
technology, I can say, in the capital wise, in all the terms, they are very powerful.
Mm.
This is
They
the
are
thing I
improved
want.
in India. They're better.
Yes.
Okay, Sonam. So, do you, if you make any mistakes, do you want me to correct right away or at the end of the session, like before 2 minutes?
In the end, in the end.
End.
Yes.
Okay. So the next question over here, which I can say, what one thing you would like to do that you already said, and another question here I can see how you will tackle with poverty, right? Poverty and all, like so much of poverty. There are like famine, droughts used to happen, and there are many people who can't eat even not the water of the rice gruel, so they are starving. So what do you want to do? Like if you become a prime minister, how would you tackle with poverty?
I can say, whatever the in my hand, I will be provide the each and everything, like their food. You can
Hmm.
say this is a very important thing. So, like every place, I will be provide the food kind of thing, so that the people are not hungry sleeping uh, in their life.
Hmm.
Whatever I can say in my hand, uh, that place, if I will be rich and
Hmm.
I will be get this kind of people, so I will be provide a free, you can say, service for the you can say food,
Hmm.
so that India not like people are die only, you can say, hungry. Most
Hmm.
of the poor people, they are dying only the reason of the hungerness. So,
Hmm.
and this is also the one of the reason, because of the poverty, they feel like not like earning, so they are not feed their family and all that. So I just provide an basic kind of, you can say, job. The
Hmm.
people are not, you can say, well educated.
Hmm.
So I will provide that kind of job, so they can do hard work and they will be earn some kind of money. So I will be like establish some kind of company there. They people are do the job.
Hmm.
So this is the way I can like tackle with poverty.
Okay, your thinking is very good, and our thinkings also match.
Okay.
Then next question over here I can see what will you do, no sorry, what you will do to generate more employment, like this, like more employment opportunities. What would you do? Mm.
Okay. This is a very difficult question, because I can say, now the time, now this time I can say each and everyone is depend on the machine.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, there is a lot of work, like a thousand of the human work machine can do. So that is the very, you can say, big reason people are not getting the job.
Mm-hmm.
So I will be like create that kind of thing. There is only the not machine can do, like a people requirement. You can say human resources, like their the people want. So I will be like you can say, this kind of thing we can provide only on the farm area,
Mm-hmm.
because in the farm area there is a requirement of the lots of people.
Mm-hmm.
So I can like provide the job opportunity in the farm area, in
Mm-hmm.
the factory, because in the factory, you can say, there is a lots of human require. So I will be like develop a more kind of factory, sugarcane kind of factory, and different kind of factory, because in that factory, the people not require any kind of education. only their physical hard, like a physical work is required. So those people are not, I can say in India, most of the people are not very well educated. So that is the only the reason they are not getting a job.
Mhm.
So find out the important thing why they are not getting the job. So do that kind of thing so that they will get a job. So I will find the main reason. What is the reason behind that? And I will be generate all that thing.
Okay, okay, wow, very nice. So, what revolutionary idea you have to transfer India? Like for example, nowadays India like facing very rape cases and all. Like government is not taking such actions. Okay, Nirbhaya was a case, Delhi rape case, and government took the action like after so many years. So like for example, I took this example and there can be a number of examples. So what revolutionary changes you would be taking if you become a prime minister?
Okay, so I can say there is a they people are take a more time for the case and all that. I will be not take a single minute of the time for regarding this situation like a case. I will be just give the 1 minute. They will be like a shootout, whatever the people you find, don't make any kind of case and all that time waste of time. Just shoot out that people at that moment where you find that people because they don't they don't deserve to live a single moment again in their life.
Exactly. Absolutely. So yeah.
Yes.
Then last question is over here. What steps you will take for hygiene and cleanliness? Nowadays, so much of unhygiene is there. Like nowadays, rubbish and all. Whenever we go to any place, rubbish and all are surrounding plastic bags and also like sanitary napkins. Like in many places, like sanitary about this sanitary napkin, they don't know about it. So, what do you think? Like, if you become a prime minister, would you be like improving the hygiene and sanitization in India?
Okay, so coming to this point, I can say already Modi ji is doing this kind of thing, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, when
Mm-hmm.
they become in prime minister. So, and I can say uh, they are doing a very good kind of thing.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever they are doing, I will be follow this thing. I don't like any kind of change in whatever they are doing. So I can say it's a perfectly all right in that particular way. So I don't want to any kind of changes I will be do. But I can see that beach kind of place where I was going in my past life. So I was thinking people are just throw the any kind of they eat and just throw. I just tell the people there is a garbage you can put there. Okay, don't make others suffer for that thing. I will be tell okay because you can say that if you what do you say voluntary not take any kind of action, so you can't tell other. Okay, so you will take voluntary action. Then you will be whatever the you see that thing, you will be just tell in a very soft way. Then the people are understand the thing and they will not repeat it again. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah, this is kind of thing I was doing in
Wow.
my yes.
Wow, awesome. So, Sonam, there are some vocabulary parts. Like I think you have gone through it. Is there anything which you don't understand? If you have any kind of difficulty, then you can ask me about that vocabulary section which is given.
Actually, I saw the vocabulary and I can't find any kind of very strange kind of thing which is I've not heard till that time. It's not any kind
It's
of.
okay.
So I will ask. So it's okay all that I know about that meaning. So yeah,
Okay, okay, all right.
yeah. You are asking me now. It's your turn. You can just little bit tell about if you are become the prime minister.
Actually, as I said that your thinkings and my thinking totally match. So whatever you said, so I would be doing that only.
Okay,
Same
okay,
thinking I have.
okay.
Okay, so tell me something about your YouTube channel. When did you start your YouTube channel, and from whom you got the inspiration to create a YouTube channel? Everything, just tell me.
Okay, actually, I was starting my YouTube channel before the you can say 4 months before March 2021. I was starting my YouTube channel, and because I find there is a one YouTube female. I was watching her YouTube channel. She's
Mhm.
doing the same kind of like a thing, converse with some kind of platform. And I was just seeing her video. So I was thinking if she was improving herself like this, and she was not, you can say, hesitate to show herself in that public platform. So why not me? I'm upgrading all these things. So you can say I will get that inspiration for this female. And then after that I was just take the, you can say, class like English Yari. So there is some classes in the clapping go. I was taking the classes from the clapping go. And after I can say there is not any kind of intention to like create a YouTube channel and all that, because the people are providing video. You can, if you want, you can put a video on the YouTube. So I was thinking, okay, it's fine. I will be put on YouTube. So in future, if I require, so I can see myself whatever I'm doing for my improvement. Only that kind of thinking. And when I put my like a video on the YouTube, so people are liking me, like the way I'm learning and all that. So people are liking, and the way the people are like appreciating me and inspiring me. So I was getting more confident. Then that thing is going on. So I was converse with my subscriber also, those who want to like practice with themselves.
Mhm.
Yes, that thing.
Okay, it's very good, like Sonam, that you're helping others. Like many, can't afford clapping go. There are many poor people, so they can be benefited by watching your videos. They can get some ideas. And apart from that, I want to ask you that how long you have been learning spoken English? But because I can see that you're very fluent, you are not
I
getting
can
stuck.
say, I can say, I was before the 4 month I was not speaking Hindi, like I was speaking only Hindi language, not a
Mm-hmm.
single word like a communication. If you ask me, I was not communicating the English. But you can say my improvement only in the 3 months, not a 4 month, because 1 month I was just practicing with clapping. So at that time I was not, you can say, very well. But when I converse with my subscriber and all that kind of people who is
Mm-hmm.
not very, who is very good, so in that way I find myself just speaking, I will be like improving myself. That's it.
Yeah, yeah. Because I believe that if you want to improve your fluency in English, if you have a good communication skill, then only you will be able to be fluent, right? Because you have to open up your mouth. If you're an introvert, then if you don't open up your mouth, then how will you able to be fluent, right? And I can understand you your communication skills is good, and I think that you are an extrovert. That's why you just improved a lot than before within three
And
months.
one thing I will be mention, each and every day, like coming to my office, I was converse 3 hour. Nowadays, I was converse a 3 hour. You can say till the starting the 9 p.m. to, you can say, after 11:30, I was conversing the people.
Mm-hmm.
So you can say the three hour each and every day. I
Mm-hmm.
was giving the time for this thing. So it will be like I can say just example. You know that when you put the sugar in that milk, so you feel a more sweetness. So
Mm-hmm.
when you like do a more hard work, so you will be like improving yourself more. So
Mm-hmm.
I was just, you can say, follow this thing in
Yeah,
my life.
yeah, absolutely. You said it right. Like if you do hard work, then only the results gonna show. Absolutely, Sonam, you're going in a very right way. If you continue, then maybe you can be a clapping go tutor or maybe a English tutor in future.
No, no, I don't want to become a tutor, as you can say. I just improving myself, and those people are liking to improve themselves. I'm just helping them without any kind of, you can say, free of cost, because I was telling, because I was facing, you can say, before the joining the clapping or before the YouTube, I was just searching the people who is conversing with me, because I just want the person to speak. And that time I found myself I couldn't convert, like they people are not giving the opportunity for
Mhm.
like a speaking and the practice. And you can say in our surrounded place, in our home, and the people are not giving that kind of thing important. So I
Mhm.
was just finded out the person, and that is my reason to coming the YouTube. Just
Mhm.
get a person to talk, only the one reason I have, not any kind of become a YouTuber and that kind of thing. So and I can say by God grace, I was getting a lots of people to each and every day. I was converse with them, and the way I am speaking, you can see the
Yeah,
improvement.
yeah, because I think you don't have a speaking partner, right, at home. So that's why you are a very much eager. That's why you started this YouTube channel to find speaking partner with whom you can practice, right?
Yes, yes.
So you don't have any sibling?
No, no, I have you can say more sibling, but they people are not like interested in the English language. They people only talk in Hindi. So, and I can say I'm doing a job for my career of like after my career. So that is why I was improving my English. You can say because you can say if you want to do a very big kind of company, there is a people are only speaking English. So you
Mhm.
can say if I'm doing the after you can say I'm doing the MBA also after my MBA is completed. So what the people are thinking, she's doing the MBA and she's not speaking English. So it's a very bad image for me.
Yeah, yeah,
That is
yeah.
also the one reason you can say.
Okay, okay, all right, Sonam. So coming to the mistakes, shall I tell?
Yeah, yes.
Okay. One thing first, you said main two reason while you were telling that what are the reasons of learning English. You said main two reason. It should be main two reasons. Okay.
Mhm.
The next would be provide food. Okay, while you were saying about the prime minister, the what kind of things you would be doing for poverty, it should be I would be providing food. Okay.
Okay.
Then next you said everyone is depend on work. It should be everyone is dependent upon work.
Okay.
Okay, on work, whatever. Then you said I will be create. Okay, I would be creating a YouTube channel. Why you are telling? Okay. Next, human requires. Okay, it should be humans requirement. Okay,
Okay.
about the prime minister you were saying. Then you said getting more confident. It should be getting more confidence.
Okay.
Okay. Then another thing I will be mentioned. It should be I want to mention. Okay.
Okay.
Then another thing, I was starting my YouTube channel. I started my YouTube channel. Okay.
Okay.
Then from okay, you were saying from a female you got motivation like to starting a YouTube channel. It should be from you said from this female. It should be from that female.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Then another thing, I was just seeing YouTube videos. It should be I was just watching YouTube videos. Okay.
Okay.
Then next you said it will be more sweetness. You said that when you were saying in milk, you if you add more sugar, it will be more sweeter. Okay, it should be
Yes.
sweeter. You said sweetness. Then last you said um who is converse in them, like you were saying about the subscribers with whom I can do conversation. It should be who want to do conversation, but you said who is converse with them. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Sonam, after the session it is recorded, then you can just go through the session, then you will be able to understand. All right.
Okay. Okay.
Uh,
Okay. Okay.
it was nice talking to you, Sonam. Good night. Take care. Bye.
Bye bye.